Best deals.
1. Strainer. Designed to efficiently strain your rice, it's an essential addition to your kitchen. Perfect for dal, pulses, grains, pasta, noodles, fruits, vegetables, other grains too. It's a versatile tool that complements your cooking needs. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Potato masher. Made of high-quality stainless steel heavy materials and have the ability to resist stains, corrosion and deformation, it is very durable. Extra large bowl can handle large potatoes for nearly 3 cups. Ideal for creating light, fluffy, lump-free mashed potatoes. This tool also excels at mashing cooked apples, vegetables like carrots, cauliflower, yams, tomatoes, and more. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cutter. It is foldable, also very easy to use. It has a handle that allows you to cut mango or any vegetable fruit with pressure, durable and long-lasting, easy to carry and place anywhere. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Spiral slicer. Ensures durability and consistent performance. It produces uniform spirals, enhancing the professional appeal of your culinary creations with guaranteed precision, slice after slice. Discover the ease of adding decorative spirals to your dishes. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Strainer bag. Made of natural organic cotton and woven to an extremely high standard of quality and durability, ultra-fine mesh bags even filter the smaller particles. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Spoon set. Ingenious leveling measuring spoons with handles to make a scraper swipe across and push off all the excess ingredients. Set of 4 measuring spoons that snap together for storage. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Strainer. Made of premium stainless steel, which is known for its durability, resistance to corrosion, and longevity. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Chopper. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade materials, ensuring no rust and easy cleaning. The sharp stainless steel blade is corrosion-resistant and durable. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Scissors. Has high-quality stainless steel blades for soft and smoothly cuttings. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Flour sifter. Made of high-quality stainless steel with spring action squeeze handle, which is safe, environmentally friendly, sturdy and durable. The handle adopts ergonomic design, you just hold the trigger pressed or press the handle. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Brass tea infuser. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Fridge organizers. Designed for maximum efficiency, these fridge containers for storage help maintain a clutter-free refrigerator. With clear plastic construction. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Crinkle cutter. Crafted from superior food-grade stainless steel, enhanced with vacuum titanium iron plating technology for exceptional strength and rust resistance. The crinkle cutter for veggies is anti-slip plastic handle. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Chopper. Made from high-quality material for longer life, seamlessly chops all types of fruits and vegetables, easy to disassemble, clean and maintain. The 3 stainless steel chopping blades ensure clean and hassle-free cutting of fruits and vegetables with minimal effort, effective and quick. It's strong and durable that lasts long after times of use. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Citrus press. Is more efficient and can extract more lemon juice. The strainer at the bottom can filter out seeds, and can also act as a funnel to direct the juice flow into your cup or bowl. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Coconut opener tool. Extract coconut water effortlessly from young coconuts with this easy tool. Push the tool through the soft husk at the top of the young drinking coconut. Twist the tool. Cutting through the thin coconut shell. Apply downward pressure. The tool will cut into the coconut. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Soap dispenser. Feature a dual-sided design, incorporating a soft, absorbent side for gentle cleaning and a scrubbing side equipped with abrasive material to effectively address stubborn stains and residues. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Chopping board. Crafted from premium, sustainably sourced hardwood, ensuring durability and longevity. Equipped with a hole for easy storage and convenient access. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Dough whisk. The stainless steel Danish whisk is perfect for a bread baker which have together quickly and keeps your hands clean. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Sponge holder. Constructed from premium space-grade aluminum, using genuine materials, with added thickness for robustness. Sink sponge holder also waterproof and rust-resistant. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Measuring spoon. This adjustable measuring spoons and cups set can be used as small and large-scale measuring spoon seasoning tool, which combine all teaspoons and tablespoons into a handy tool. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Chopper. Cutter comes with non-detachable stainless steel blade which can slice off dry fruits so easily. Compact design allows easy storage, occupying very small space in a drawer or refrigerators. Very easy and strong to slice, even your kid can enjoy cutting dry fruits. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Masher. Made from high-quality stainless steel and wood, ideal for mashing pav bhaji, vegetables and pressing paratha, chapati. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Noodle cutter. Perfect gadget to make spiral slice of long and straight vegetable. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Chopper. Processor is a manual food processor and chopper comes with 2 gears for power and speed. The chopper comes with high-quality sharp stainless steel blades for quality in life. The material used in this product meets the US FDA requirement and it is non-breakable plastic. This food processor product with its 5 different gadgets makes your multiple daily kitchen routine simple and easy. The food processor has 5 different gadgets for easy chopping, dough making, slicing, shredding, and whipping. A unique transparent design of the food processor enables you to experience the internal engineering and functioning of the product. It does all the kneading work for you and gives you perfect dough to work with. It is a simple, manual dough maker that requires you to spend minuscule energy on it. Whisking is a cooking technique that involves the continuous movement of a whisk through a liquid to aerate or incorporate multiple ingredients. With whisker attached with food processor, helps you easily whip eggs, make yogurt and cream. With 4 settings, slicer, dicer, disc, fine, thick juliennes and slicing are much more safer and easier. The 3 stainless steel chopping blades ensure clean and hassle-free cutting of fruits and vegetables. Product link is given in the 25th link. Thanks for watching.